Hello everybody. It's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. We got a nice one. It is the shell stitch border for granny squares. Now, I would suggest you use the same hook that you use to make your granny square. And the one thing that you do need, you need an even number of rows. Okay? So this is 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Or you can count corner to corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is odd. Okay? So you can count the rows, or you count corner to corner and get odd number. All right? You thought I was going to say even, didn't you? So I need you to stay tuned and listen. So anyway, so that way, if you have a big old blanket, you don't want to count from the center. And count corner to corner. And if you have an odd number, you're perfect. Okay? So let's get into this. You take your corner, put your finger in your corner, go to the runway, the last block on the runway, and that's where we're going to start. So you put your hook in, bring it through, and do a chain. Then you go back in there and do a single crochet. Then we jump right to the corner, guys. Easy peasy. In this corner, you're going to put in 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just slide it down, 8, and 9. Then you go to your next space and you just put in a single crochet in that one. Your next space on the runway, they are 7 double crochets, not 9, only the corners are 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Go to your next space, put in a single crochet. Your next space, do your shell, which is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next space, single crochet. And you just keep repeating that through your whole side until you get to your corner. And then when you're at your corner, you put in 9 double crochets. And 9. And then you're just going to repeat the process. 1 single crochet, and then you do your fan, single crochet, fan, single crochet. I'm going to finish a round and I'll be right back. Look at that, guys. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? The best border I feel that you can put on a granny square. Works well, adds a little flair, and it just flows. Well, I'm Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials. Please subscribe, please follow, come find us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Guys, support us. We would love you to. hit all those buttons. It helps us to keep bringing these to you. And we'll see you next time here at Whip and Chain. Always a work in progress. Bye-bye, guys.